Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so today I will discuss same topic, recurrence relation, like last lecture. Okay. Can you hear me? Yes. Today I will discuss the same topic. Let me start from here. Solve the recurrence relation. See this example. Solve the recurrence. Solve the recurrence relation. Question is this. Recurrence relation is this: an equal to an minus 1 plus 2 an minus 2. Okay. And here condition is 0 equal to, there are two conditions. A0 equal to 2, A1 equal to 7. A0 equal to 2 and A1 equal to 7. There are two conditions. So you have to solve this recurrence relation. The solution, how to solve? Here the recurrence relation is this: an equal to an minus 1 plus 2 an minus 2. Tell me, what is the degree? What is the degree of this recurrence relation? Tell me. Degree 2, yes, degree 2. This is of degree 2. Okay. Now we start from here. First you look here. an minus 2, take left side, SR, yani here, minus an minus 1. And this is plus here, so take left side, minus 2 an minus 2. Okay. This equal to 0. Right side here 0. This is equation 1. I am taking this equation. Okay. Now look. After that, last lecture I told you, this is of degree 2. Then you start from here. Degree 2, then you start from here. An take an equal to R terbiya. Degree 2 yani terbiya. After that, an minus 1 wahidless yani this one. An equal to R power 2, an minus 1 equal to R power 1. 2 minus 1 yani R power 1. And this an minus 2 equal to R power 0. Here. Start from here. 2, 1 and then 0. This R power 0 means what? This is 1. Okay. Replace this. So after replacing this is called characteristic equation. Now write this, the characteristic equation. Characteristic equation is, replace this. So here Mojood, see this, an. An means what? R terbiya. So here write R terbiya, and then minus an minus 1 come R power 1. And after that minus 2, and here n minus 2. This is 1. This is 1. 2 dar 1 yani, this is 2 dar 1 yani 2. And this is equal to 0. This is called characteristic equation. Right? Up to here, no problem. Muhammad, what's problem? Do you have midterm now? NP exam. Okay, you can go now, no problem. Go for exam. Muhammad Al Said, only you. Okay. Now look here. Zero 52. Okay, no problem. Now look here. This is characteristic equation. Now solve this. This is quadratic equation. R termia minus R minus 2 equal to 0. How to solve this? Look here. Solve like that. Here take R1 bracket and here take R2. R2 yani there are two solutions. Our solution I will take R1 and Thani solution I will take R2. And is equal to 0. Now how to solve this? Take factor. Khalil. So how to solve? Look over here. This is the rule. Here मौजूद -2. -2 to be here. Okay. And here मौजूद -1. आधा. साली वाहिद. साली वाहिद to be here. Right? Now look. This -2 break in two numbers. Break in two numbers. You can write -2 and there 1. -2 there 1 come. You see here. -2 and there 1 is equal to -2. This -2 there 1 is equal to -2. Okay. And within these two numbers, -2 and Zayed 1, -2 and Zayed 1, Hada come. This is -1, yani Hada is. Okay. It means these two numbers are okay. This -2 and 1, these two numbers are okay. Okay. So here to 1, this 1, and here to -2, this one. Right? So from here, R1 plus 1 equal to 0, R2 minus 2 equal to 0. So from here, R1 is how we come? -1. And from here, R2 is how we come? 2. Right? This is 2. -1 and 2. Okay? Is it clear? Right? Okay, so there are two numbers. Okay. No, not this general. After that, you have to write the general solution. Now, here look. R1 equal to -1 and R2 equal to 2. There are two numbers. Two solutions. And these two solutions are mukhtalif. Kafi same, mukhtalif rakam haqiqat. How to write general solution? Now, general solution is, you will write this way. General solution is n equal to, you have to write here. This, you can take this R1, R2, any number here. See. A multiply R1 power n plus B multiply R2 power n. Other general solution. Okay. Is equal to what? Is equal to, these two numbers are mukhtalif here. See, -1 and here 2. Mukhtalif rakam hakiki. Then you will write all the time. If mukhtalif rakam hakiki, you will write all the time general solution this way. Okay. And this n equal to A here, and here what? -1 power n. And plus B here, and here what? 2 power n. This is general solution. This is equation number 3. So now general solution is here. Okay. So let me, what I did here, first you write this. this. Well, an replaced by this r terbiya degree 2, then r terbiya an minus 1 r and an minus 2 y hada. This is the characteristic equation. Then hal hada is two numbers. In two numbers, two solutions. Two solutions are mukhtalif. Okay, then uktub this general. Right? This is general solution. Okay. Right? After that, see the question. After that, here another thing mojood. What is that? Here mojood this one. A0 equal to 2 and A1 equal to 7. Yes. Now you have to use these two conditions also. How to use these two conditions? These two conditions you will use in general solution. Okay. So you will use in general solution and then find capital A and capital B. Over here. Now mojood in the general solution mojood A and here mojood B. Okay. This A and B, how to find? You will find after using this solution. See, condition mojood in the question. A0 equal to this 2 and A1 equal to 7. This mojood in the question. A0 equal to 2, A1 equal to 7. This one mojood in the question. Right? So look, up to here no problem. General solution you have right here. General solution how to write? By using R1 and R2. R1 and R2 mukhtalif, then all the time uktub this A R1 plus B R2 power n. Okay. Now look this, here mojood A0 equal to 2 and A1 equal to 7. Use these two conditions here and then you will find A. If you use these two conditions, you will find this A isavi come and B isavi come. Now use this. See here mojood 0. 0 yani first you take this n isavi 0. And what will happen? See this. A0 other n isavi 0 yani A0. And this is A minus 1. Over here 0 and plus B. Here. To power come here 0. It's okay or not? I'm using this condition over A0 equal to 2. Now look here. Okay. Now look here. A0 mojood here. A0 is how we come 2 here mojood. A0 is 2 here. Mojood in the question here. See this. A0 equal to 2. Hada come. Salig wahid power sifar come. Wahid. A dar wahid. Plus B. 2 power sifar come. This is wahid. Any number power sifar yani wahid. Okay. Hada come easy. A dar 1 yani A and B dar 1 yani B. It means this is A zayed B yusawi come. This is 2. This is equation number 4. Okay. Now use this. A1 yusawi 7. Condition number A1 yusawi 7. Here again in general solution. Okay. So now A1 mojood. A1 yani use this. N yusawi 1. Okay. In the general solution. Where is general solution? Hada. A1 isavi 1 yani here mojood A1 is n. A1 equal to A and the minus 1 power n yani 1 and plus B here is 2 power 1. It's okay or not? Using this condition. other second condition. Okay, so now look here. A1 कम मौजूद in the question. A1 मौजूद هذا A1 يساوي 7 is equal to 3 minus 1 power 1 यानी minus 1 A ضرب minus 1 هذا plus B ضرب 2, right? This is equal to what? This is A ضرب minus 1 यानी minus A plus B ضرب 2 यानी 2B يساوي كم هذا 7 यानी 7. This is equation 5. Okay, first you use this. First you have used this A सिफर. A सिफर यानी N يساوي सिफर هنا N يساوي सिफर. You got this A plus B equal to 2. And after that you use second condition A1 equal to 7 यानी N equal to 1. Then you got this equation number 5. Now हल هذا equation 1. See this equation 4. 4 is this A plus B. This how we come name. And this 5 is this only A plus 2B to come 7. Another 4, another 5. Okay. Now this 4 and 5 hal hada. Side 4 and plus 5. You see this equation 4 and plus side equation 5. And what will happen? Here mojud mojab and here mojud salib. Mojab A and Zayed salib A is cancelled. Hada mojab wahid B and mojab itnain B. Come Lata B equal to hada 2 Zayed Saba 2 Zayed 7 come 9. 3B يساوي 9. هذا لنا تقسيم 3B على 3 equal to 9 على 3. 3 cancel باقي يساوي كم 9 على 3 which is 3. Look here B is equal to B is هذا equal to 3. Okay. Now B मौजूद here B يساوي 3. After that you have to find A. So B يساوي 3 put in any equation, maybe in arba equation arba or equation muadala arba or muadala khamsa. Anywhere put this يساوي 3 and you will find A. So equation 4 muadala 4 is what? A plus B equal to 2. This is muadala 4. Here put this C يساوي 3 يساوي 3 يعني هذا 3 A plus 3 here and this equal to 2. Right? This is what here A يساوي this is 2 and here موجب 3 C اليمين سالب 3. This equal to what? minus 1. A يساوي كم? A يساوي minus 1 هذا. Okay. A يساوي يجي هنا A يساوي minus 1. Right? So first what you did here, oval condition use here in general solution, then you get A equal to 2 equation arba. And tani solution A1 equal to 7 use in general solution, then you get A plus B is muadla khamsa and baden muadla arba muadla khamsa hal you get A and B. So baden what to do? Baden this A and this B put here in this equation general solution here and here and then that is class. Okay, so what will happen? This will be final general solution will be an equal to here A means what? minus 1 and here मौजूद -1 power n. n plus b. b equal to come 3. And here मौजूद 2 power n. Other final answer. Right? It's okay. And the solution is what? Solution is other general solution. Then find this a and this b. A b is here. A is having -1 and b is having 3. Put here. Here is having -1 and here b is having 3. Then that is final equation. Final solution. Right? Okay. So let me summarize here what you did. See, what you did here. First you put this. A. First you put this. n equal to if degree 2. n is having r tarbiya. an minus 1 equal to r. an minus 2 equal to y. First you put this. Okay. Then you find this equation. A tarbiya minus r and minus 2 equal to 0. Then you find this. Okay. Baden hal hada r1. You find this. Baden hal hada. You find this r1 plus 1 r2 minus 2 equal to 0. You hal hada. You get this -1 r2 equal to 2. Okay. Find this. And after that, uktub general solution. A equals a r1. r1 यानी -1 power n plus b r2 यानी 2 power n. Other general solution. Okay. But then in general solution, use this condition. In general solution, use this condition. A0 is heavy and A1 is heavy. Use here in general solution. Then you will get this equation 4 and equation 5. Okay. Then equation 4 and 5 hull, you will get this A, you will get this B. Now here A and B put here, the general solution, that is final solution. Right? Any question here? Okay, this is not hard. Slightly lengthy solution. Okay, if you remember the step, then that's easy. You need to make practice. Okay, you need to make practice, right? If you make practice, then that's very simple. Try by yourself. Try to solve by yourself. Okay, take paper and pen and try to solve by yourself. Okay, then it's very simple, right? Okay. So tomorrow, inshallah, tomorrow I will you study you study chapter 1, 2, 3 and 4. Study all chapters. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4. And tomorrow, if you have any problem in any chapter, you ask me tomorrow. Tomorrow I will give you all chapters, inshallah. Okay. Tomorrow you ask question. If anywhere you have problem, if any question you have problem, you ask tomorrow. Tomorrow lecture only for you. Whatever you will ask, I will explain tomorrow. Right? Okay. So today I will, yes. can say review, you can say problems, whatever you will ask, I will explain tomorrow. Whatever, okay? That is review. If you feel problem in any chapter, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, anywhere, if you feel problem, then you ask me, I will explain questions, right? Tomorrow. Today I will stop here.